Most women over 50 have no idea that the reason their skin looks older isn't only about hormones. Studies show women lose up to 30% of their skin's collagen within just 5 years after menopause, and no cream or serum can fully replace that. But here's the truth most never hear. There are 3 powerful vitamins that can help your skin, hair, and nails look younger almost overnight, from the inside out. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, when did I start looking this tired? The lines, the dryness, the dullness, they seem to appear faster than you can keep up. It's not your imagination, and it's not a failure of self-care. For many women, it's what happens when the body quietly loses the nutrients it once had in abundance. As a doctor who has spent many years helping women navigate the changes that come with age, I've seen this story again and again. Women in their 50s and 60s who did everything right, eating well, staying active, following every skincare trend, yet still felt their glow fading. The reason, often, isn't age itself. It's a silent shift inside the body, a gradual decline in specific vitamins that keep your skin elastic, your hair strong, and your energy steady. Today, I want to walk you through 3 clinically proven vitamins that support youthful skin, thick hair, and healthy nails from within. Each of them has been shown to restore vitality naturally, and one of them is something most women have never even heard of. Stay with me, because understanding this could change how you age from this moment forward. 1. Biotin, the foundation of renewal. When women notice their hair thinning or their nails breaking more easily after 50, it's not just a cosmetic concern. It's your body sending a signal, a quiet reminder that something essential may be missing inside. One of the most overlooked nutrients behind this change is biotin, also known as vitamin B7. Biotin plays a vital role in producing keratin, the structural protein that forms your hair, nails, and the outer layer of your skin. When levels drop, keratin production slows down, and that's when you begin to see dull hair, fragile nails, and dry, uneven skin. On a cellular level, biotin helps your body use amino acids, fats, and glucose, the raw materials that keep your cells strong and resilient. Without it, those building blocks can't form properly. Clinical research has confirmed this connection. In one study, women who took 2.5 milligrams of biotin daily for 6 months saw noticeable improvements in nail thickness and strength. Other studies show reduced hair shedding and stronger strands among postmenopausal women who corrected their deficiency. Foods like eggs, almonds, walnuts, avocados, and sweet potatoes provide biotin naturally, but there's a challenge. Cooking destroys some of it, and absorption declines with age. That's why a gentle daily supplement of 2.5 to 5 milligrams often makes a difference. Results take patience usually 2 to 3 months. But little by little, you begin to notice subtle victories. Fewer split nails, smoother skin, baby hairs appearing near your temples. And more than that, a quiet sense of renewal, as if your body remembers how to rebuild itself again. Because that's exactly what it's doing. 2. Vitamin K2, the silent sculptor of elasticity. Next, let's talk about vitamin K2, one of the most underrated nutrients in women's health. If your skin feels tighter, drier, or somehow less springy than before, even with all the moisturizers and serums, the reason may lie deep within your blood vessels. K2's job is to guide calcium to the right places into your bones, not your arteries or soft tissues. When calcium ends up where it doesn't belong, it causes stiffness not only in your joints, but in your skin as well. Over time, this leads to that harder look and loss of natural bounce many women notice after menopause. Vitamin K2 activates two important proteins, matrix GLA in your blood vessels and osteocalcin in your bones. Together, they keep your tissues flexible and your circulation flowing freely. When your blood vessels stay elastic, your skin receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to stay soft and vibrant. Clinical studies show that women with higher K2 intake tend to have better vascular health and more supple connective tissues. In my own experience working with older adults, restoring K2 often brings back that gentle softness and glow over time, not instantly, but steadily. The richest source of K2 is natto, a traditional Japanese fermented soybean dish. But since few Western diets include it, smaller amounts can be found in aged cheeses like Gouda or fermented dairy. For most women, though, a supplement in the MK7 form works best, as it stays active longer in the body. The usual dosage is 90 to 180 micrograms daily, taken with a meal that contains healthy fats. If you're on blood-thinning medication, it's best to talk with your doctor first. After 6 to 8 weeks, many women begin to feel subtle changes, smoother skin, better moisture retention, and an overall lighter, more comfortable texture. Within 3 to 6 months, deeper benefits appear in bone strength and circulation. Think of K2 as the hidden framework behind your skin's structure, quiet, steady, and essential. 3. Astaxanthin, the inner shield of youth. While biotin helps rebuild and K2 keeps your skin elastic, astaxanthin acts as your internal protector, a nutrient that shields your cells from the stress that accelerates visible aging. Astaxanthin is a powerful antioxidant found naturally in salmon, shrimp, krill, and a type of red microalgae. It works in a unique way. It embeds itself across your cell membranes, guarding both the inner and outer layers of each cell from oxidative damage. Science shows it's up to 500 times stronger than vitamin E and significantly more potent than vitamin C in fighting free radicals. That's crucial after menopause, when estrogen drops and your body's natural defense weakens. Without those defenses, your skin becomes more vulnerable to sunlight, pollution, and toxins. You can think of astaxanthin as an internal sunscreen. It doesn't block UV rays, it neutralizes their effects before they cause harm. In a Japanese clinical trial, women who took 6 milligrams of astaxanthin daily for 8 weeks saw clear improvements in skin elasticity, hydration, and reduction of fine lines, especially around the eyes. They didn't just look younger, their skin functioned younger. Since it's hard to get enough from food, most women supplement with 4 to 8 milligrams daily, taken with a meal containing healthy fats. It's safe, gentle, and works quietly over time. After 6 to 8 weeks, many begin to notice that their faces look brighter in photos, their skin feels softer, and that old, dull tone starts to fade away. And beyond the mirror, astaxanthin supports eye health, cardiovascular strength, and even endurance, making it a true ally for healthy aging. How to make these vitamins truly work. Even the best nutrients can't do their job if the body isn't ready to receive them. Hydration, balanced nutrition, quality sleep, and emotional calm. These simple daily habits are what allow vitamins like biotin, K2, and astaxanthin to shine. Water carries nutrients to your cells. A colorful plate of fruits and vegetables supplies the natural cofactors that make supplements more effective. 10 minutes of morning sunlight helps balance your hormones and boost your energy. And restful sleep, that's when your body repairs, rebuilds, and restores its glow. Managing stress may be the most powerful beauty tool of all. When cortisol stays low, collagen stays strong. Even 10 minutes of quiet breathing or prayer can change the way your skin and your heart respond to life. When you combine small, steady habits with the right nutrients, something shifts, not just in how you look, but in how you feel about aging. The gentle reminder: these vitamins are not quick fixes. They're gentle partners that help your body return to balance at its own natural pace. If you start today, stay patient. Track the small improvements: smoother nails, softer skin, that healthy glow you thought was gone. This isn't about turning back time. It's about giving your body the tools it still knows how to use and letting your natural beauty reappear in its own quiet, graceful way. And remember, it's never too late to care for yourself from the inside out. You've just learned about 3 remarkable vitamins: Biotin, vitamin K2, and Astaxanthin, and how each one helps your body rebuild what time has slowly taken away. But the real message isn't about the vitamins themselves. It's about something deeper, a truth every woman over 50 deserves to remember. Your body has not forgotten how to heal. It simply needs the right support, patience, and care. When you nourish yourself from within, your beauty changes not only on your face, but in your energy, your confidence, and the quiet way you move through the world. That's what real youthfulness is. It's not turning back the years. It's learning how to live fully in the ones you have now. So if this video brought you clarity, hope, or a reminder that aging can still be beautiful, please take a moment to like this video and share it with another woman who needs to hear it today. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Elders Living Better, where every week we share simple, science-backed ways to stay strong, vibrant, and confident through every season of life. Because aging isn't the end of beauty. It's the beginning of understanding it.